Hello. So this sweat pour 15 looks 3 days later after we applied it with the brush. What are you saying, Liam?
The paint is still not dry.
No, it's dry. It's because it's a gloss finish. That's why it looks wet. But it's dry. You can touch it.
Okay.
See, it's all dry.
Yep.
Looks nice though, huh?
Yep. The paint is dry on there, right?
It's dry everywhere.
So it's quick a dry paint. Take a look.
Now, even though if the surface was like brushed and grinded all over and was pretty much etched, some places where it was bare metal and the metal was like really nice, even though it was etched, it didn't grip as much. So, or it was, the layer is like thinner, so you can see through it. But I think it's a good protection regardless. And now we need to protect the pour 15 from light, so we're gonna apply a top layer. I bought the Tremclad flat black rust reformer, so if there's any spot I missed, then the rust reformer should take care of it. So we're gonna do that. Also, I want to mention that I didn't do 2 layers, I only did 1 layer. And to do 1 layer on all the frame, it took 3 cans. 3 of the small little cans. So if you're curious of what it looks like when it's dry, that's the brush I used. All the cans had like a little bit left in them, of course, because it's hard to empty all the paint. This is very much like epoxy. I've been working with epoxy in the past, and it very much feels like epoxy. I didn't notice any heat though while using it. Usually epoxy, when it dries or when it cures, it produces heat, but this I didn't feel any heat. I don't know, it's just because the quantity or the cure process is very much reduced. It's like a slower kind of cure. See, there's a pool of pour 15 in the bottom, and then it sticks very well to the plastic, this little plastic tub. So you might be interested in seeing that.